Check this out. This is a 2005 Pontiac GTO. It says the 6.0 liter LS2 400 horse engine, 6-speed manual, Yellowjacket exterior paint. Beautiful car. These cars are a lot of fun. It's just starting to sprinkle rain out here, so we're gonna make this quick. But these cars are a lot of fun. You can see it's got BF Goodrich tires on it. They are from 2017. They made these in 04, 05, 06. 05, you could get the LS1 or the LS2. 06, they all came with the LS2. And boy, are they fun. This does have a catback exhaust. I believe that is the only modification on this car is the catback exhaust. It has 46,660 original miles. We bought this here in Colorado. I love the details with the yellow stitching in the shifter and the e-brake. That really accents the yellow paint. Same with the steering wheel. That's pretty sweet. Does have its original radio. I do like to see that. We're just getting a little rain, so I'm just going to pull it out of the rain. Let's see, you got wipers. Work as expected. You have power windows. They do have tint on them. Well, this does have a dealer installed sunroof, which is very rare, and it works really good. Seals up nice, doesn't leak, works really well. You can tilt the back too. And you can set presets for how far you want it to open. If you just want to hit one button and have it go. That sunroof's actually a really neat feature in this car. And we do have paperwork from when the car was new on when that was installed. You can reach out to us and ask us to send you that if you'd like to learn more about it. All right, under the hood, all aluminum LS2 engine, 400 horsepower, 6 liter. It's got its factory air box. That's what you want. Almost all of these you find on the internet have been hot rodded out with cams, exhaust, air intakes. All this shielding is usually gone. It's nice to see one that is in stock configuration. These cars are awesome in stock form. Plenty of power with this LS2. This Yellowjacket is also a very rare color. Not many of these around, and it's a very nice shade of yellow. And it's kind of cool. They put a trim tag here you can decode. It even tells you right on there, LS2. So that's pretty sweet. Car is super clean. I'd say slightly better than average for 46,000 miles, which is very low for one of these. Wheels are in really good shape. And this is a Flowmaster catback. Sounds really good. If you're interested in this GTO, please scroll down. There's a link in the description. Take you right to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. There you can find 80+ high resolution pictures. You can find undercarriage pictures. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to make an offer, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.